Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start signed in and ready. Press the Xbox button on your controller to open the guide. Once open, move to the Home tab or My Games and Apps depending on what you want to pin. Make sure Bluetooth/headset won't interrupt navigation. If using Connect or USB controller, confirm it's responsive. This gets you into the interface where tiles and pins live and prepares you to rearrange or pin content immediately without unnecessary tapping. With the tile highlighted, press the menu button 3 lines to expose Move, Pin to Home, or Unpin options. Choose Move to reposition or Pin to Home to add a shortcut. Use the left stick or D-pad for precise placement. Directional nudges snap tiles into the grid. Once you move a tile, the system automatically shifts others, so watch adjacent tiles and make small adjustments. If rearranging many items, plan clusters like games, apps, and media for faster. After arranging, press it to confirm each placement, then back out of the guide and inspect your home layout to confirm positions. If changes fail to stick, restart your Xbox One to force a settings sync. Make sure you're online so Cloud Saves update. If the problem persists, go to Settings System Console Info Reset and keep My Games and Apps as a last resort. This refreshes local cache and usually resolves stubborn layout sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.